In this video, you will learn how to prevent kidney problems and diseases. The 11 tips to prevent kidney problems and diseases. Kidney plays an important role in our body. It is one of the most important organs that detoxify from toxins in your body, as well as transform them into waste substances. Normally, a person has 2 kidney organs as part of the renal system. They are bean-shaped organs that help the body pass waste as urine. Kidneys also help to filter blood before sending it back to the heart. So, it is very important to keep our kidneys healthy and functioning properly. Here are 11 tips to prevent kidney problems and diseases. Number 1. Keep your body hydrated and drink lots of water every day. This will enable the kidneys to flush out sodium, urea and toxins from the body. This will then lower the risk of developing chronic kidney disease. Number 2. If you are diabetic, then your diabetes must be under control. Around 50% of people who have diabetes develop kidney function problems. Your doctor will surely request to have regular kidney function tests. Number 3. High blood pressure and heart disease have to be managed properly. These conditions need periodic medical advice and regular checks to reduce the risk of developing chronic kidney disease. Some drugs that control diabetes and high blood pressure and some other medications can sometimes help slow the progress of chronic kidney disease. Number 4. Eat healthy foods and follow a balanced diet. This will control your weight, keep you slim, and reduce cholesterol to help your kidneys functioning properly. Reduce the consumption of processed and junk restaurant food. These are not healthy ones. Eat home-cooked food where you can have clean and fresh ingredients. Number 5. Reduce the intake of salt in your food. The more salt that you take with your diet, then more amount of sodium you put in your body. This will increase your blood pressure and can trigger the formation of kidney stones. Number 6. Avoid smoking. Smoking is a very bad habit and is bad for your health, especially your lungs and heart. Although smoking is not directly related to kidney problems, but it reduces kidney function significantly. Number 7. Avoid alcohol. If you are consuming too much alcohol, then try to reduce its consumption and drink in moderation. Drinking too much alcohol can disturb the electrolyte balance of the body and hormonal control that influences the kidney function. Number 8. Have regular exercises. Daily exercise will keep your body fit, reducing fat and helping the heart and blood flow. If you are obese or slightly overweight, this can have an effect on your kidney and developing kidney problems. Number 9. Don't resist the urge to urinate. When your bladder is filled with urine, you get the urge to urinate. One of the main functions of the kidney is to filter the blood, an extra amount of wastes, and water is stored in the urinary bladder that needs to be excreted. Number 10. Reduce stress and anxiety. If you are anxious or stressed, your blood pressure can increase and not good for your kidneys. Number 11. Think before taking non-prescribed medication. All the medicines you take have to pass through the kidney for filtration. Avoid taking high doses of painkiller tablets, such as aspirin, ibuprofen, and naproxen. These reduce the amount of blood flow to your kidneys, which can harm them. If you are taking excessive amount of vitamins and/or certain plant extracts, these can be linked to kidney damage. Do you want to know about an all-natural kidney health and kidney function restoration program? Check the description below. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.